Hey everybody, it's Matthew Reinhart, and it's the 12 days of holiday pop, and let's get started making our Hanukkah menorah here. All right, so Hanukkah Sameach, everybody, or Happy Hanukkah. Well, Kristen's going to give me a hand here, actually literally giving me both of her hands. She'll be building the pop, and I'll just be talking because, you know, I like to talk a lot. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to print out both pages of the pop-up templates onto cardstock, and you can use any color you like. There's a link down below for the template, so you just download it and print them out. Now, everywhere you see a dotted black line, you're going to actually score with a paperclip and a ruler. And what you'll do is you'll rub the paperclip along each of the dotted lines that you see very carefully. So everywhere you see those dotted lines, make sure you score it. Next up, you're going to get out those scissors and you're going to cut along all the black solid lines. Those black solid lines are there to show you where you're supposed to use your scissors and carefully cut out all the pieces. There's actually only 3 pieces to this pop-up, so it's not so bad. Remember to use a pair of scissors that are comfortable for you. And also, you know, when you're cutting out some of these more intricate areas of the pop-up, move the paper and keep your scissors in one place. So if you move your paper and just move it along where your cut lines are, it works a lot easier. So once you've cut out all the pieces, make sure that you pre-fold all the pop-up pieces like so along all the dotted lines. You've already scored them, so it should be pretty easy to fold them. Kristen's doing a great job there. Next up, we're going to use some glue. Now you can use regular white craft glue like this. You're going to fill in the gray space on the left that says glue tab A here. And don't use too much glue. You don't want to get glue everywhere and get your hands all sticky. But see how that shape fits right in? You're going to line it up right along the center, just like Kristen's done. And you're going to press it down, hold it flat for a little bit. Next up, we're going to fill in the gray area that says glue tab B here. And again, you can see how little glue that Kristen's using. Don't put a big old glob. Once the glue's in place, we're going to very carefully slide the second pop-up piece in just like that along that slot and line up the shape of the tab on the bottom there. See how it fits just right in there? Line it up to that glue spot where it says glue tab B here. So they're lined up and they're also interlocking these 2 pop-up pieces. So now we can see there is our pop-up menorah. Look at that. Happy Hanukkah time. But it's not really ready yet. I think it's time to decorate, don't you? Let's make sure our pop-up works. So we're going to press it in the back. See how we're going to make sure that it's not stuck in the back. See how this is how the pop-up should work. See how it folds down and out? If you have to put your finger back there to press it, make sure that it goes outward, be sure and do that. Really nice. Now let's get decorating. You can use whatever you like to decorate this menorah card. You could, let's see, you could use markers, you could use crayons, you could use, I love that she's using some extra special things like sequins and colored, she's got metallic markers, all kinds of stuff to really make this Hanukkah card very special. Then once you're done, sign your beautiful new artwork, send it off to somebody you love, and wish them a happy Hanukkah. Well, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this do-it-yourself 12 days of holiday pop from me, Matthew Reinhart, and don't forget to keep on popping all through the holidays. Well, there you go. Isn't that amazing? You've made your very own Hanukkah menorah pop-up. All right. Well, thanks for joining us for this 12 days of holiday pop. If you like what you see, make sure to hit like and subscribe and check out more 12 days of holiday pops coming your way. Happy holidays!